Hello children, welcome to the chemistry class. Today we are going to discuss about the electron dot structure. So what is electron dot symbol? That is Lewis symbol also we can say. Electron dot symbol of an atom consists of symbol of elements surrounding by dots, and that dots represents the electrons present in their outermost shell. The paired electrons are represented by a pair of dots, where unpaired electrons in the outermost shell will be represented by single dot. So, electron dot structure, valence electrons are represented by dots placed around the chemical symbol. Electrons are placed up 2 on each side of elemental symbol for a maximum of 8. So, which the electrons is filled up in S and P shell. So we have single, if we place a single electron each side before of pairing them up, so this is related to Hund's rule. Period 1, that is hydrogen and helium, except represents an exemption where they have maximum number of 2 electrons placed on either side of the element. Electron dot structure for the first 2 periods, number of valence electrons related to group number. Number of valence electrons related to their group number. So, Lewis dot diagram elements for the first 20 elements. So, hydrogen, it is having only 1 because it is present in group 1. Helium 2, C the lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium. So, magnesium chloride, if we take magnesium chloride, magnesium is having 2 and chloride to form it octet structure. To form it octet structure, chlorine is having 7. To form a chlorine octet structure, so 2 electrons will be given, and that will be shared to the 2 chlorine atoms. Magnesium to chlorine gives magnesium chloride. Even same way cation, sodium chloride also, sodium is given 1 electron to the chlorine atoms where it is 1 unpaired electron, thus it forms a sodium chloride ion. So cation is formed by the loss of electrons by metals, and anions are formed by the gain of electrons. Calcium atom will lose electron to gain noble gas configuration, and calcium cation with +2 charge electrons by non-metals. Oxygen atom will gain 2 electrons to gain noble gas configuration and to form oxide ion, that it forms calcium oxide. See the calcium oxide Lewis dot structure. So, a Lewis dot symbol represents the transfer of electrons in forming calcium oxide. See here, calcium atom will lose electrons to its noble gas configuration and form calcium cation plus charge because it transferring electrons, and oxygen is receiving electrons and it forms negatively charged. So, it forms a calcium oxide. So, this is how the electropositive atom undergoes oxidation, while electronegative atom undergoes redox reaction, forms a sodium chloride and calcium oxide, where the oxidation and reduction always occur simultaneously because the electrons lost by reducing agent and gained by oxidizing agent. So, next of a covalent bond. So, what is a covalent bond? Covalent bond is also called molecular bond that is formed between 2 combining atoms of mutual sharing of 1 or more pair of electrons. That is, in a chemical bond, a bond formed between 2 combining atoms of mutual sharing of 1 or more pair of electrons. Sharing of electrons between the atoms, that are 1 or more pair of electrons. These electron pairs are known as shade pairs or bonding pairs. And stable balance of attraction and repulsion forces between them when they share electrons, it is known as covalent bond. For example, hydrogen molecule. So simple covalent bond. The hydrogen atoms share their electrons to their can be stable, filling the first orbital. So molecule formed due to the sharing of electrons is called covalent bond. So the atoms of non-metals usually have 5, 6, 7 electrons in their outermost shell except carbon. So carbon is having 4 and other having 5, 6, 7 in their outermost shell. The atoms of such elements do not favor to loss of its electrons due to energy conservation, and transfer of electrons is not possible. And this atom can complete octet structure by mutual share of one or more pair of electrons. So whenever non-metal combined with another non-metal to attain the stable configuration, sharing of electrons takes place between the atoms and covalent bond is formed. For example, hydrogen is a non-metal and chlorine is also non-metal. When hydrogen combines with chlorine to form hydrogen chloride, the sharing of electrons takes place between the hydrogen and chlorine and covalent bond is formed. See the covalent bond and sharing of electrons to form its octet structure. Hydrogen atom plus hydrogen gives a hydrogen molecule. So hydrogen is a non-metal and here also a non-metal. To give a molecule, they both will share electrons and form molecule. Next, covalent bonds are of different types of covalent bonds, that is single covalent bond, double covalent bond, triple covalent bond. So single covalent bond is formed by sharing of one pair of electron, and double covalent bond is formed by sharing of two pair of electrons between them. For example, hydrogen hydrogen, chlorine chlorine, fluorine fluorine. So this is what example of single covalent bond. And double covalent bond, sharing of electrons between hydrogen and oxygen. Next, triple covalent bond is combination of three single bonds. Nitrogen molecules N2 contain a triple bond. It is written as N. So molecules have combination of single bond as well as double or triple bond. So ethane, for example, ethane C2H4 molecule has one double covalent bond and 4 single covalent bonds. So the covalency of an atom, what is the covalency? Covalency of an atom is the number of its electrons taking part in the formation of shared parts. Shared pairs. Thus the covalency of hydrogen is 1, oxygen is 2, nitrogen is 3 and carbon is 4. So the sharing of pair of electrons taking part in the formation of shared pairs. A single bond is formed when only one pair of electrons is shared between the two atoms and it is represented by dash. If it is form of covalent bond, has a smaller density, weaker than double or triple bond, and it is most stable. For example, HCl molecule has one hydrogen atom with 1 valence electron and one chlorine atom with 7 valence electron. In this case, single bond is formed between hydrogen and chlorine. Next, double bond is formed when two pair of electrons are shared between two participating atoms. Then it can be represented by two dashes. Double covalent bond are much stronger than single bond, but they are less stable. For example, carbon dioxide molecule has one carbon atom and with valence is 6 electrons and 2 oxygen atoms with 4 valence electrons. So when you write it, you will write C2 dashes O2. That is carbon dioxide. Triple bond is formed when 3 pairs of electrons are shared between two participating atoms. Triple covalent bonds are represented by 3 dashes and are least stable type of covalent bonds. In the formation of nitrogen molecule, each nitrogen atom has 5 valence electrons, provides 3 valence electrons to form 3 electron pair for sharing, and triple bond is formed between nitrogen atoms. So this is about the forms of covalent bonds and next types of covalent bonds, and in the next class we will discuss about the non-polar covalent bond and polar covalent bonds and some covalent molecules and their structures. So we'll discuss in the next class. Okay children, have a good day. Bye bye.